Matthew Jones ar gig gornel. Chwipio mewn. Teg at y postyn pella. John Owens ydyn nhw. Yn cael ei ben iddi. A mae'n taro'r postyn. A dwi'n meddwl gafodd Oliver Byrne rhywbeth arni i nadu hwnna fynd i gefn y rhwyd. Fil yn rhoi Owens dan bwysau ymlaen. Wedyn teg at Morris. Yno wedyn oedd Curran. Insel lawr i Curran. Poole i Jordan Davies. Groesiad gynnar teg at Insel ar y postyn agosa. Gath ei dalcan iddi, ond ein fflachio i bio postyn pella. Symudiad da gan y tîm cartra. Phillips. John Owen yn brasgamu ymlaen. Harrington sef flaen am. Ar Bailey Franklin y gyflaf yma i Aberystwyth. Ond tackle o didog gan John Disney. Harrington, chwilio am Curran. Am dros ben y ddau mynd disgyn i Declan Poole. Mi oedd Jordan Davies a lle lawr y chwith. Mae o yn derbyn y bêl rwan. Thyn ni nôl i Owens. Rwysiad teg at Insel yn cael ei ffenio allan. Mae hwn yn bell at Jamie Millen. Millen, groesiad ddifn teg at Jordan Davies. Arbeniad yn ôl ar draws i Craig Curran. Hanner awr o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Mater hawdd oedd i Craig Curran, rwydo'i gol gyntaf o'r tymor. Mae'r pencampwyr di mynd ar y blaen. Fedrith Aberystwyth ymateb yn syth bin ar ôl ildio. Fil, teg at y postyn pella. Byrne, ma'n i methu hi. A Davies, dynnu lygyd oedd ar y bêl. Oedd ddim yn cam sefyll. Cyfleuroedd i Aberystwyth fod yn gyfartal. Curran. Mullen yn mynd tu allan iddo. Ond Insel sy'n y gwrth gosbi ar hyn o bryd. Rwan mae Jordan Davies a Curran yn ymuno. A teg at Curran, mae'r beniad yn syth at y golwr Sabre. I gyrraeddodd Curran yn hwyr i'r gwrth cosbi. Neb yn bigo i fyny. Harrington tu mewn, mae Declan Poole yn gyrchol, mae Insel. Tu cefn i Jenkins yr ergyd ar draws. O, sut ar y ddiar. Fethodd Declan Poole y cyfla yna. Oedd ar blad i Declan Poole. Mae eisiau gweld hwnna yn cael chwarae, mae'n na sicr. George Oren yn brwydro, mae'n disgyn i Franklin. John Owen i'r chwith, Franklin yn mynd i hun. Cael ei faglu yn y cwrt Cosby, mae'n gicor smotyn. Na, mae'n gerdyn melyn am ddifio. A mae hwnna i weld yn benderfyniad dadleuol. Ni'n meddwl bod Franklin wedi cael ei dynnu lawr. Y dyfarnwr yn agosach na fi. Mae'n meddwl bod wedi ceisio i dwyllo. Poole, mlaen i Insel, cyffyrddiad cyntaf gwych gan Jamie Insel. Amgylch y golwr, un cyffyrddiad yn ormod. Williams ar groesiad teg at Curran. Disney ar ergyd, o'na fflachio i bio'r postyn. Jamie Insel a cyfle euraidd i ddyblu'r mantais. Oedd y cyffyrddiad cyntaf yn wych, ond efallai oedd ddim angen yr ail a'r trydydd cyffyrddiad. Owens ar gig gornel. Williams, ddim tibio i Jones, groesiad ddifn. Teg at y postyn pella, cael ei ffynnu ôl. Ac Insel, acrobataidd. A wedyn Jack Thorne yn clirio oddi ar y llinell oedd Insel mo bod wedi sgorio. Ymlaen i Phillips. Owens, ysgwydd yn gryfach. Ac yn brasgamu ymlaen, hwnna'n dacl hwyr gan Rimmer. A fydd hwnna'n gardyn melyn i Jack Rimmer. Hwna'n ffrwgwd rwan yng nghanol y cae. Melyn felly yw y cerdyn. Rimmer ymlaen teg at Franklin. Dan bwysau gan George Horan, mae'n troi Horan. Franklin, os y gyfla i Aberystwyth. Ar draws y cwrt chwech, mae'n disgyn Sam Phillips, tackle dda, ar erbediad yn wych. Gan Oli Byrne oddi wrth yr eilydd, Owain Jones. Insel. Bale disgyn i Morris. Mae'n teipio i Matthew Jones, mae'n y cwrt Cosby. Os y gyfla mael i Cei Connah. A Toma. Aaron Williams sy'n methu'r cyfla.
Andy, another 3 points, but it could have made it a lot easier for yourselves if the strikers had taken the chances tonight.
Yeah, I think they know that, Juice. You know, they're. I've got good strikers, I've got good honest lads, and I think they know themselves. You know, I've just asked them to really go away and think about their game and look at the game again, rather than me go to town on them in there, because it's too easy to get frustrated with that on a night like tonight. You know, I spoke about it last week, the importance of the second goal. When you've had so many chances, what the second goal does, Juice, is it allows you to play. When players in them last 10 minutes, every touch you're thinking, if it's a mistake, then we could lose 2 points, and then you end up with poor decisions, poor touches, and I've just been told it's like 22 shots, and there's 10 there. You know, listen, Aber were brilliant. You know, I give them great credit for their energy and all that, but I'm not here to praise the opposition. I'm here to question why that game, Ollie's got to make a save at the end of the game, and it's disappointing.
You're probably not pleased with the results, but you put a dogged performance out there tonight.
Absolutely, you know, obviously it's never nice to lose a game of football, and we came here full of confidence, you know, that we were hoping to get a positive result. Like you say, that, you know, they're relentless in what they do, you know, very good, very positive. We rode our luck quite a few times, you know, they had a good couple of opportunities, but again, same with us, you know, we had a good couple of chances, and you know, we didn't take them, and I think, you know, Andy would probably be disappointed as well that he didn't take his chances, as are we.
When an opponent steps past you and it's assault, you deliberately go for the player and you catch him knee high off the ground, it's a red card. And I'm sick of trying to protect my players on the pitch and asking why this is not given, because it's intent. It was there. He's gone past me. I'm going to wipe him out. And the consequences of that are you go down to 10 men. You don't get away with it.